Welcome back to ClearTask. If your Google Wallet is not working on your Android device, you can fix it in just a few moments. Locate the Google Wallet app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Press and hold the app icon until a small menu appears. Tap on App Info, which is usually represented by a small eye icon. Inside the App Info menu, select Storage Usage. Tap on Clear Cache, and then tap on Clear Data. This removes any temporary bugs or corrupted files causing the app to freeze. Go back to the previous screen and tap Force Stop. Press OK to confirm. This completely halts the application from running in the background. Open the Google Play Store, search for Google Wallet, and check if an update is available. If you see an update button, tap it. Keeping the app updated prevents future transaction errors. Restart your phone to give your Android system a clean refresh. Once your phone boots back up, open Google Wallet and it should function smoothly. Thanks for watching ClearTask. Subscribe for more simple tech solutions.